Hey, welcome back, Van here. You think jerky making takes all day? Think again, because today I'm going to show you how to make mouth-watering, perfectly tender jerky in just 3 hours or less. No shortcuts on flavor, just a faster way to satisfy your jerky craving. Now let's get started. We've got some nice little London broil here from Walmart, and we've got our handy dandy once for all meat slicer. I'm going to trim a little bit of fat off this. All right. Now that we got all that cut up, we're just going to separate these out in little bitty pieces so they're not stuck together when we go to marinate them. All right, now we got our meat trimmed up, sliced, and everything. We'll sit it over the side and throw a marinade together. And this marinade is actually pretty big. You can cut it down however you want to cut it down. Cut it in half. Is what I'm trying to say, because this is a lot of marinade for this little bit of meat. I'm throwing in 1 cup of Worcestershire, 1 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of seasoned salt, a tablespoon of granulated garlic, a tablespoon of granulated onion, a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Since this came out, I've been wanting to try this as some jerky. This is Kinder's Buttery Burger, right? Yeah, Buttery Burger Blend. This stuff is just amazing on hamburgers. I'm curious to see what it's going to taste like in some jerky. Sometimes these things won't turn out like you want it to. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Let's go with 3. That's a lot of mixture right there. A lot of marinade. What you could do with the other half of this marinade, if you do split it in half, like if you don't want to use all this for this jerky, you can take half this and use it for the jerky, and the other half you use it for steaks, chicken, pork, whatever you want to cook with it, you know. Shake it up real good. If you don't have a vacuum marinade tumbler, you can put this in your refrigerator in a Ziploc bag for 6 hours to overnight, something like that, and you'll have some really good marinated jerky by in the morning. Let's pour this in here. We got to get this going. This 3 hours is not counting the prep time. I'm going to use the whole thing in there, guys and gals. Got our nifty little vacuum marinade tumbler here. It works a miracle, I'm telling you what. I love it. All right, we got a vacuum pulled on this thing, guys and gals. All right, I like to shake this up one good time, get all the meat mixed up in there good with it, and I'm gonna stick it on there for 15 minutes. All right, that's done. Altogether, I'm gonna have about 40 minutes in the prep time. But like I say, the prep time isn't included in the 30 minutes. But I got about 40 minutes in the prep time after this drains in this colander for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna drain this for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna throw it in the dehydrator, and we should have jerky in 3 hours or less. Yeah. Now we're gonna line these trays with some jerky meat. And we have a whole lot of jerky meat to line on these trays, boy, I tell you what. God, this stuff smells so good. All right, that's the last piece. Get these old gloves off. The old gloves off. All right. Move this out of the way. Bring this in the picture. Can you see it? Oh, you can. Let's move this over here. Put this right here. So you see I'm not cheating. Plug it in, got it on 160 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 3 hours. We're going to have beef jerky. All right, it's been 2.5 hours. This is what I normally do. At 2.5 hours in, I start checking it. And I need a bowl. I'll just use this. Oh, wait. Now, I want to tell you something, y'all. These are done. If you hear these and how they're like sounding hard, they don't stay like that. Yeah, these are done. Look, 2.5 hours in, y'all. 2.5 hours in. I've done this long enough. What you want to do, if you did want to check to see if it was done, you would set it outside the dehydrator for 5 minutes, just like laying it right there. Let it cool for 5 minutes, and then check it and see how it does. And another thing to get your jerky done in 2.5 to 3 hours. The only trick to it is how thick you slice it. I love this dehydrator. That one needs to stay on. Y'all, we gotta have the time stopped here while we're doing this to be able to follow in that 3 hour mark, because I don't want y'all to think I've been lying to you about doing jerky in 3 hours. I mean, look, we got jerky in 2.5 hours, guys and gals and everybody. Stay on, leave them on. Leave that one on, take that one off. Alright. Look, it ain't that hard, is it? So, alright. So these need to stay on. These are done. I'm just going to put this lid right back on here. I'll turn this back on. What time we got? We got 3:46. That'll be, so 3:45. That'll be 4:15. The rest of this jerky should be done, alright? Alrighty, it is 4:15. Everything should be done. That's going to be done. When I get down to this point right here, if it ain't done, it ain't done. I don't keep it going no farther than that, just for a couple pieces. All these seem to be done right off the bat. I can tell just by looking at them pretty much. Oh yeah, these are really good and done right here. Oh man, I can't wait to try these. Alright, yeah, that's good. That's good. That right there, I'm gonna sit over to the side because that's one of the first ones I eat right there. Ones that ain't done all the way, you know, that might have a little bit of drying it might need to be getting done, but that's pretty good. One piece out of all that. Right? Shoot, yeah, all this is done. Alright. All that's done. Alright, look at that, man. Just look at that, but look at this. I've also got that, so that's been sitting over here for a minute or two. Let's give this a try. Still get that crunchiness just from going off the dehydrator, but that'll go away by tomorrow morning. And this will be some tender jerky. Hold on. Hold on. That Kinder's came through, man. That's good right there. Kinder's needs to make some beef jerky. I couldn't even talk. I couldn't even get that out of my mouth. Kinder's needs to make some beef jerky. Man, that's good. Man, that's good.